In order for Curry to read your minds, she likes to come closer. Hi.
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 Curry is feeling a strong connection to each one of you. Howie.
Yes.
She likes you to hold out your hands. Yes. Okay. Whatever happens, don't move.
Whatever happens, don't move. Oh!
It's yours.
Get in!
Now, Curry really wants each one of you to think about something you're scared about. Write it down and then pass all the papers to Simon. And Curry, don't look. Please give them to Simon and he will mix them up.
Right.
You got it?
I've got it.
Thank you. Simon.
Yes.
Think about your fear and then look. Wow, Simon.
Yes.
Think less about your fear, a bit less.
Okay, I'm not thinking.
I think the chicken's scared of Simon.
Curry can feel the fear.
Simon, please.
Yes.
Think about your fear, not too strongly, and then look into her eyes.
Okay.
Thank you. Curry, she cannot talk, so she will show us. If Simon, you thought about dark oceans, a fear for flying, a fear for drowning, or a fear for giant spiders. Curry, what is Simon thinking about? She's pointing to giant spiders. Was this your fear, Simon?
Yes.
Thank you.
It really was.
Curry got it right!
Now, Sofia, can you please channel all the energy of your fear towards your hands and then pet her gently. Curry likes you to make it even harder. You can turn over the papers and mix them up as much as you like. She picked on one paper. What was your fear?
Dark oceans.
Dark oceans. Dark oceans!
Oh my goodness gracious! The chicken is smarter than me.
What? Curry does not need to read any more minds, because Howie, why? She's been thinking about you all day long. She knew which fear you would pick before you even thought about it. Howie, can you please open up her egg?
Open an egg? There's a word in here. Hang on.
Oh.
There is.
What's it say?
It says drowning.
Was this your fear?
This was my fear. Check my card.
Yes, thank you! Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's amazing.
This chicken needs to be famous. I loved how the chicken knew everything except mine, but I loved it.
She has something special for you
She
in the
does?
next rounds. Yes.
Sophia.
I love the chicken.
I love the chicken too.
Simon.
Well, I like you, and I think what you did was very original. I mean, that was magic. Impossible to do what you just did without having magic powers. Seriously. So
I agree with what everybody's saying, and I think young and old alike will like this. So let's vote. I'll give you your first yes.
I say yes to the chicken, and you.
3 yeses!
make that 4 yeses.
Yeah!